your boat, row, row, row your boat, gentle down the stream, gentle down the class. How are you, little angels? I hope you're well. I am well. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. Now, yesterday, I had bought my kids 3 oranges. Then, there are 2, but I bought 3 oranges just in case one decides to eat more than one. Do you know what happened? You don't know. You'll find out in the course of the lesson. Now, today we want to talk about word questions. Someone to remind me the key words we have been talking about since we started this topic, subtraction. Someone remind me what we have been talking about? The key words that you've heard teachers say now and then, now and then. Teacher, yes, Janet. Left. Very good. How many are left? John, are we together? What are you chewing in your mouth, John? Which word have you heard the teacher talking about? Remained. Very good. Janet's friend, please give us your word of the day that you've heard the teacher talked about. We have talked about take away. We have talked about. Janet's friend says teacher has talked about take away. Teacher has talked about how many are left. Teacher has talked about how many are remained. What else have you heard teacher talking about? We have minus. What else? Subtract. We have said these are the words that are guiding us. Do you know when you're going somewhere? Have you heard about the person who normally talks in the Google map and tells you turn left, turn right? Now, these are our Google Drive. They are the ones that are helping us to know what exactly are we supposed to do here. When you see any of this word in a sentence, in a story, you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Oscar, kindly remind us, which sign did we use when we are talking about these words? Oscar, it was a line like. Oscar has an idea, a line like. And this is the line, the sign that shows take away, take away, take away. I have 2 chairs. Take away 2. What do you remain with? I have 1 blackboard ruler. Grade 3s are doing measurement. Teacher, can you have a ruler? They took away my ruler. How many is remaining? Now, we are talking about word questions. Let us look at the board. Teacher, are we talking about Kibet in grade 2? No, I'm not talking about Kibet in grade 2. I'm talking about another Kibet somewhere. Now, our question goes, let's read all of us together. Kibet had 8 apples. He gave Ryan 3 apples. How many apples was Kibet left with? Let's just read the second time so that you get it clearly. I've said Kibet had 8 apples. He gave Ryan 3 apples. How many apples was Kibet left with? Now, there are keywords that we need to look for in that sentence. First of all, let us underline the numbers, the main numbers that will give us the direction. Then, which word will tell us which sign are we supposed to use? Left with. Have you seen the word left with in our words, in our vocabulary today? Yes, our vocabulary today has the word left with. So, the main thing here is 8 apples. So, we're talking about Kibet having 8 apples. And out of these 8 apples, he gave Ryan 3 of them. And we said an equals to will tell us how many was Kibet left with. So, which method are we supposed to use? Someone give me an idea. I don't have an idea. Someone to tell me which method am I supposed to use? Teacher, we count backwards. Very good. So, let's count backward. What did we say? It is 8. So 8 is here. We go 7. Before 7, 6. Before 6, 5. Let's continue together. 4. Let's continue. 3. Now, let's move. We are saying 8 and we are counting backward 3 times. So we go 1, 2, 3. We stop on which number? 5. So are these necessary? No, we don't need them. So how many apples was Kibet left with? Kibet was left with 5. 5 what? Goats or sheep? Apples. Very good. Now, we are on the second question. The second question says, there were 7 pencils in a set. There were 7 pencils in a set. Whitney took 3 pencils from the set. How many pencils remained? Let's find our Google words first, our vocabulary words, things that are going to help us to know the direction in which you're going. We have 7, we have 3, and the other word here is remained. Now, what are we supposed to do here? Someone help me out. What am I supposed to do? Teacher, we are going to write 7, take away 3. What has told us that it's a takeaway? Let's go back to our vocabulary. Our spelling bee corner. Our spelling bee corner has the main words. Take away, left, remained, minus, subtraction. So our spelling bee has a word that has shown that the sign in the middle here will look like this. And which is the word? Someone help me. Which is the word? The word is remained. The word is remained. This is the word that has shown us that the sign in the middle will be take away or minus. Are we together? So, which method are we supposed to do? Which method are we supposed to use? Someone help me out, please. Yes. Oscar, let's continue. Teacher, I will put 7 in the head. Then I count 3 fingers out. 7, 1, 2, 3. So what am I supposed to do? Count backwards. Oh, you love this method of backward. It seems very easy. Teacher, yes, it's easy. So we go 7, then we are counting backwards. 7 is already here. So will I carry again 7 to the fingers? No. 7 is already in the head. So we go 7, 6, 5, 4. So how many pencils remained in the set? There were 4 pencils. Remember to tell us what you are talking about. Don't just tell us 4. What is 4? Is it 4 chicken? Is it 4 ducks? We are talking about 4 pencils. Up to this level, is there a person who still feels that he or she needs more practice on this? So during your free time, I want you to make your own word questions. I'm not going to give you the word questions. No. That's not my duty. So our work will be, we are going to be chanting with our guardians, with our daddies, with our mummies. Chant with them, talk to them, make questions, word questions with them. Let them also make theirs. Then at the end of the day, come up with, I only want 2, not many, 2 word questions. Well calculated, and they must have our vocabulary of today. Make a sentence using take away, or left with, or remained, or minus, or subtraction. I just want a word question with this vocabulary. Then after that, calculate and tell us which method you used, because we have done so many methods. I cannot even name all of them. I hope you have had a very nice lesson, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.